In this case, what we really need to do in order to prove this is just utilize the definition of a limit. So we want to show that this is true, that the limit as x goes to a of x is just a. It's a trivial fact, and it's pretty trivial to prove. Again, we want to show that for any epsilon greater than 0, there's always going to exist some delta greater than 0 such that the following is true, that if x is within delta of a, then the f of x value is within epsilon of the limit value. And that's essentially what these inequalities state here. So we want to show this being true in this case. So f of x is just x, and the limit that I want to show that I could always get it close to is just x. It's just a. Sorry, it's just a. So it's minus a. So this in our case looks like this. Here I just wrote the above one right here is just the definition, but then now this is the particular case, and we can see that we could always do this. We could always find a delta such that this value will be less than epsilon by just taking delta to being epsilon. So what does that mean? That means that if I make, right, I could always, if I choose any x that's within epsilon of a, then of course this is true. This will be true immediately because delta will equal epsilon, and this inequality will immediately imply this inequality. And it seems redundant, but we're really just using the definition, and writing something like this is all this one would really need. And we put, what should I put? The tombstone?